Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, happy Wednesday indeed. Tracking a cold front that is going to make it feel a little bit more like fall by tomorrow. So hang in there. Today will still be a warm one for your Wednesday. But as we take a look at our next weather radar network, at least we are quiet for now, but later on we'll see some rain roll in. Right now, upper 70s across the board in Broward, Miami-Dade. Through the Keys, a little warmer, 80 already in Marathon. But look at what happens tomorrow morning. We'll wake up with a nice dip in degrees, low 70s, upper 60s. The humidity will be dropping too, courtesy of that front. And even the Keys will be enjoying the low 70s tomorrow morning. As we look dark and early, don't forget to check out that full super moon, which will be officially full as of tomorrow. As we take a look, though, later this morning around 8-9 a.m., there will be the potential for some showers. So take your umbrella with you, and the kids can also take that poncho in the backpack. As we get into 10 a.m., dealing with some more passing showers, especially for the Keys. And even as we get into 2-3 p.m. when the kids get out of school, there might be a little rain here and there. But then the rest of the day is looking relatively quiet. So let's talk about that super moon, the Hunter's moon that is taking place tomorrow. It'll appear bigger and brighter. It'll be fullest at 7:26 in the morning. It'll be the third of 4 consecutive supermoons this year. And because of that, we do have the king tides, higher than normal tides, leading to a coastal flood advisory. Next high tide in Fort Lauderdale around 8:30 a.m. in Miami around 8:13 a.m. and in Key West around 9:52 a.m. So there is a low risk of rip currents today. However, boaters, as of this afternoon, small craft advisory goes into effect as the winds will be increasing. It'll be turning breezy. Winds out of the north, 15 to 20 knots, seas running 2 to 4 with a moderate chop on the bays. So today we'll have the potential for some showers. Front is going to move in. Tomorrow will likely be our nicest day of the week, drier with less humidity and breezy to windy. In fact, as we get into Friday and Saturday, that front lifts right back over us, and we'll see the rain chance increase and then drier for Sunday. As we check in on the tropics, we still have the same 2 areas we've been monitoring, and really not much has changed in terms of the forecasting here, as this disturbance in the southwestern Caribbean is forecast to bring heavy rain to portions of Central America. This wave out in the Atlantic is still moving towards the west and could be turning into a depression. There's a 50% chance of that by the time it is near the Lesser Antilles later this week. But by the time we get into the weekend, there is some wind shear it's going to have to battle it out with, and also dip in the jet stream. So of course we'll keep you updated. But in the meantime, tomorrow again going to be beautiful, breezy, a little cooler. Look at those highs. Instead of the upper 80s, which is what we're going to see today, we're talking low 80s tomorrow. Then we'll start to get a little more wet and windy heading into your Friday and Saturday. We have the More Than Pink Walk, which is hosted by our very own anchor, and that is Lauren Pastrana at Amelia Earhart Park in Hialeah. In the morning, there will likely be some showers for the event.